Can you predict the result here? What's the address where data is stored? And along with that, can you predict what's the final value stored in R0? Take your time and predict the result in the comment section. The very first instruction we have is a pseudo instruction which will load constant, that is 4 all zeros, into register R0. The next thing we see is R1 is updated with the value 3. Till here, there is no confusion. But what happens in these cases? If you consider this particular instruction, we know it is store operation. So content of R1 will be stored in the location pointed by register R0. R0 is pointing at location specified here. So the value 3 will be stored at this particular location. But after that, that is after the store operation is done, R0 register content is updated with an immediate value 4. Okay, that is called as post indexed addressing mode with immediate offset. Offset is the value that we are updating our base register R0 with. We are performing addition of 4 to the content of R0, and this is the result we are obtaining, and this is the final updated address of R0. But where exactly is the value of R1 stored? It is stored at this location. The next instruction we notice is store itself the value of R1 into the location that we obtain by adding R0 with 4. If you see the bracket closes after 4, it means first perform addition, and whatever location you obtain, store the value of R1 in that particular location. And what is this particular addressing mode called? It is pre-indexed addressing mode with immediate offset. And one more thing you have to notice here is R0 is not further updated. Okay, only the location to be accessed requires some addition to be performed. And what location is getting accessed here? R0, based on our previous calculation, is something like this. When we add plus 4 to this, the answer that we get is, what does that mean? This is the location where I'll be storing the value 3. Let me directly run the code and show you the final output. At first, I need to open my memory window, and I'll open the address specified in the instruction. Okay, so now let me just run this code, and I can see that value 3 is stored at the location 4 and all 0. Along with that, it is stored at this particular location. What is this location? This location is nothing but 4 all zeros and 8. And what exact answer is stored in R0? It is 4 all zeros and 4.